What is Log4shell and why is it so bad? How does it work? So the first thing you have to understand is that Log4shell is based on the Log4j logging library, which is used a lot in many Java applications. And the way it works is it's used to log out either to the console or to an actual log file. And in a lot of applications, they do things like log a request when you access their application. Now this application is running, and if we visit it in the browser, it just says hello world. But if we look at the logs, we can see that all of the HTTP headers along with that request have been logged out. So why is this a problem? Well, the problem actually comes right here. This is called string substitution, where we're substituting this variable and this variable for these two values, which means that these values are being passed in with the request. So what attackers are doing is creating their own header, and then they're passing in a special syntax that actually causes log4j to do a server lookup. So if we send this request, we scroll down, you'll see that there are a lot of errors, and that's because I'm calling a server that doesn't exist. But we can look here and see that, yes, the Java application actually did try to call this server. So why is that a problem? Well, it's a problem because not only can you call the server, but you can actually include a special syntax that will include environment variables in the log. So if we run this, you can see that we get the same error, but now it's actually logging out or sending to the server our home environment variable. Now, why is this bad? A lot of times we put sensitive information like database connection strings, usernames, passwords in environment variables. And you can see that it's actually sending my private database username and password to somebody else's server. Now, there's a lot of ways to mitigate this, and I've put a link in the first comment below this video, so make sure you check that out and stay safe out there.